Welcome back, gang, to 31 Black Witches of Halloween. This is day 30. We're almost there. So I was saving this one for today. Today we honor the Wicked City Coven and the Black Witches of Atlanta. Wicked City, if you haven't seen it, you need to watch. It's a supernatural series focused around black witches in Atlanta, of course. The story begins with the girl in the middle, Domino Day, a girl who didn't choose magic at all. The magic chose her. But inside her lives an ancient power, something way different than the other girls. It's from her bloodline, a woman who made a pact generations ago that never was completed. The power Domino inherits is not controlled. It's very dangerous. It's haunting, but something's beautiful about it. And this danger is what really brings the coven together, to be honest. Season 1, we have Tabitha. She's a seer. She has vision, dream, clairvoyance. She sees what's coming. She's kind of like the navigator. Mona, the healer, root worker, herbs, cleansing, emotional grounding. She was like the heart of the coven. Charisse was a protector. Charisse didn't play no game. She had ward, banishment, boundary magic, attack magic. Charisse definitely got active. She was like the group shield. Claudette, the shadow witch. She forces growth and self-reckoning. While these young women are practicing magic, they also have to deal with life. So love is involved, breakup, job, friendship, self-identity, everything all of us go through. They don't always agree. They don't always get along. They're learning, failing, and then trying again. This is magic as real life. Season 2, Domino arrives in Atlanta. Hey, talented, emotional, powerful, but still untrained. Domino starts experiencing visions, blackout, surge magic, and a voice inside her that isn't hers. That's her ancestor inside, the matriarch, who passed down that power through the blood. But Domino, she doesn't know if she's being guided, possessed, or prepared. Shit, I might have thought she might have been secretly evil this whole show. Deep down, the coven takes her in because they recognize what she carries. But here's the conflict, y'all. The more Domino power awakens, the more dangerous she becomes, even to the coven. And Tabitha, she sees the future. Domino either becomes a great protector or a threat to the world that nobody's ready for. In season 3, the story deepened. The coven's sisterhood was tested. Domino just trying to figure out what the ancestors want. Ancestors want completion of old work that she doesn't quite understand. And technically it had nothing to do with her. I guess it does now. That's literally what we do today. Get our lick back for our ancestors. So it makes sense. So boom, y'all, the coven begins to fear her. Fear Domino. Like, if they keep helping her, it may awaken something beyond out of their control. In this show, love gets complicated. Friendship strained. People choose sides. And they switch up on you. The line between who Domino is and who her ancestors want her to be starts to blur. Meanwhile, other witches, spirit, and magical forces in the city of Atlanta feel Domino waking up. Season 3 is all about identity, lineage, power ethic, legacy, and who you become when history calls your name. Is Domino like inheriting powers or becoming the ancestors reborn? And same for us. Interesting, because we basically could be reincarnation of our ancestors, just like a 2.0. It's a little better. So Domino's coven basically have to figure out, do they save her, complete the ritual with her, stop her? And I don't know. This is where the show shines. Black spirituality, ancestral memory. This isn't witchcraft for aesthetics. This is magic in your bloodline, your responsibility to know. Wicked City was definitely almost canceled, but the audience is keeping it up. Good for y'all. Yes, black people. Because honestly, a great black show like this, the big companies, you guys want to put into this more. They have a huge fan base. The girls are phenomenal actresses. They get better and better each season. And representation matters. I'm sorry, I don't think it's possible for white witches to do root work. It just don't sit right with my spirit. I don't know. So let's pray they get a season 4. If you haven't checked this out, go check out Wicked City. I think there's a character we can all relate to. You will literally see yourself in this series. Now that I did this video, I might go back and watch from season 1. I'm Cube of Lore. This is 31 Black Witches of Halloween. Day 30. We got one more day. Who you think the witch might be? Let me know in the comments who you think it might be. What you think about this show? Have you seen it before? If you haven't, you gotta check it out. Shout out to the whole team, everybody involved. These were great girls. And I think they did their big one. If you guys need a conjurman, a warlock, a shaman for season 4, let me know. I'm available. If you like content like this, don't forget to engage from the bottom up. Y'all know, repost, save, like, comment 5 words or more so the algorithm doesn't push me. But more importantly, if you're new here, come here. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. But why you sat here and watched this whole video and you didn't even think about following me? Why I got to bring it up? I'm not up here for myself. I'm up here to deliver great content for you guys. But y'all not following, make it make sense. I love all y'all. I appreciate y'all. As usual, this is only for entertainment purposes, allegedly, hypothetically speaking. I'll catch y'all in the last day, day 31. Happy Halloween.